We took on a major overhaul of a Caterpillar C18 engine, and today we'll show you the entire repair process. This engine was burning a lot of oil, and during disassembly, we found a lot of dirt in its intake manifold. Initially, we suspected it was an air filter issue. But upon inspection, we found that the air filter was regularly replaced. Then we thought it might be a problem with the intercooler, and indeed, it was confirmed after inspection. The next step was dismantling the engine and cleaning its components, as there were too many materials, so we won't showcase each one individually. Due to time constraints and delays from the pandemic, the delivery time is rather long. Thus, we didn't meticulously film the new components. Once all parts arrived, they were first used to process other components. We began measuring. Measurement content includes engine main shaft hole measurement, crankshaft inspection, camshaft inspection, etc. After the inspection is completed, we start assembling the middle cylinder assembly, and after the cylinder head is processed, we begin the formal engine assembly. Once we complete the assembly of the camshaft rocker arm, we start adjusting the valves. Some peripheral parts have been installed before this. After all installations are completed, we are ready for a trial run. After the painting is finished, we sprayed the engine with paint overnight, let it dry for a day, and today we sent the new engine back to its maiden home. Wish him to make big money for the boss and become wealthy after returning home.